Hi guys, it is Thursday afternoon. As always, you know me, when there's rain coming, I decide to get gardening. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so here we go. Um, Here I have the hostas, right? 1, 2, and 3. And this guy's coming loose here, so we're gonna replant him. Kind of see his root base is all falling out there. So I don't know what happened. But I'll plant him in and I'll do a little weeding. This is the Purple Shisho I keep talking about, that one, and there's one on this end. I've been thinking about it, and what I think I'm going to do is put both of them here in the center and kind of hopefully they'll grow together like one plant, because I don't like them being like just separated on either end. So for me to do that, I'm thinking about taking the purple hearts here and putting them down here in the front. There's been a couple of you guys that gave me some great advice about how they tend to be more of a creeper plant. So I'm going to try them in the front and see what happens with that. So when I do that, then that opens up the space here for the purple shishos and leaves me still a couple gaps in the corners. So I might just shift the coneflowers a bit or something. I don't know. Anyway, let's see where we end up. So I'll say this about those purple hearts. They have a really strong root base. They have done really well in the few months they've been here in the garden. So it's really hopeful for next year to see them flourish. Anyway, back to the shovel. So this is one of the coneflowers. For me to put the purple shishos in the middle there, I have to move this guy, which makes me think about if I need to rearrange all of them. We'll find out. So that's it, guys. I'm done for today. Let's do the review. So anyway, guys, that's it for today. It's a beautiful day. It's in the low 70s right now. But as I mentioned earlier, we've got some big storms predicted coming through Friday and Saturday. So I'm glad to get this done. What I did learn was the soil was still really moist and all the worms are out there. So that's good. It's been holding its water. It's not been that dry where the plants have been affected. So in the meantime, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Bye. Hi, guys. I was just editing this and realized that I didn't put a review in after all. So here we go. There is that gap. That is a gap. And let's be honest, the more I think about it, those gaps are going to be places where I add more flowers. So who's going to be upset about that, right? But this is where I put the purple shishos. I've got those two side by side now with the coneflowers dead in the center. Okay. All the shadows have kind of moved over, so you're not getting a true view of it. I should come out in the morning when it's shady out and it's not bleached out by the sun. But as you can tell, as I'm just chatting away here, I've got the purple hearts lined up in front, and I think that looks beautiful. I think that was a really, really good decision. And I think it'll be really pretty when we have the autumn joys, the sedums over here blooming, and hopefully they're a lot bigger next year. I just see so much potential. I feel like the center here has become like so tight. You know, if I don't touch it, it might be really full in this period, you know, by this time next year. So now my focus to think about all winter is I've got this area here to work with a little bit and that side over there.